Hi everyone, welcome to Speak Up English. Learn from zero.
Here, we help you speak English confidently in real-life situations.
Today's lesson is super useful, especially if you've ever received a scam call.
Let's learn how to spot and stop phone scams in English.
Scene 1. The urgent threat. Why you need this now? Zon, I just got a call saying my bank account will be frozen unless I give them my info.
Wait, sounds suspicious. Did they ask for your personal details?
Yeah, they wanted my ID number and card info.
That's a red flag. Real banks never ask for that over the phone.
Oh no, I almost gave it to them.
Don't worry. Let's learn how to handle these scam calls in English, step by step.
Scene 2. Spotting the red flags. English phrases for detection.
Scammers often use urgency or threats to pressure you.
Like, your account will be blocked immediately?
Exactly. In that case, ask confidently, "Is this a legitimate call? Can you tell me your full name and company ID?"
Nice. That sounds smart.
And never say yes when they ask, "Can you hear me?" They might record it.
Oh, no way. That's scary.
Scene 3. Responding like a pro. So, how do I end the call politely?
You can say, "I need to verify this information independently," or "I'm not comfortable sharing that over the phone," or "Please remove my number from your list."
And if they keep talking?
Be firm and say, "I'm hanging up now." Then actually hang up.
Click. Call ended. Bye-bye, scammer. Scene 4. Reporting and resources. Okay, I hung up. Now what?
Reported. You can ask, "Where can I report this scam?" Or, "Who should I contact about a suspicious call?"
In the US, I'd call the Federal Trade Commission, right?
Exactly. Or your country's Consumer Protection Agency.
What if I already gave them some information?
Then contact your bank right away and change your passwords immediately.
Scene 5. Beyond the call. Ongoing protection. I also blocked that number. Any app you recommend?
Try Truecaller or your phone's block number feature.
Thanks, John. Now I feel ready to deal with any scammer.
That's the spirit. And remember, don't panic, don't share, and don't click suspicious links.
And don't forget to speak up English every day.
Great job, everyone! You just learned how to handle phone scams in English. Practice these key phrases and stay safe in any situation. If you found this lesson helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. What scam phrases have you heard before? See you next time on Speak Up English. Learn from zero. Let's speak up every day.
Key phrases you'll learn. Is this a legitimate call? I'm not comfortable sharing that information over the phone. Please remove my number from your list. I need to verify this information independently. Where can I report this scam?